first thing we have to do is to draw the actual board we work with. Now I'm drawing the outlet for a power source. The next object is the two multi-way switches and the lamp. Please ignore the round object to the top. The lines between the lamp and switches are the P and wire. Component diagrams are used to find out where the components and wires should be placed.
Schematic diagram. We need two wires connected to the lamp to make it work. We call those L and N. N goes directly to the lamp and L goes to both the multi-way switches. The L you can see as the second from the left is the input for the first multi-way switch. The triangle right next to the L are the output from the multi-way switch before it goes to the next multi-way switch. The part between L and the triangle is the switch itself. This is the part we press and it will change its position to either up or down. And we can of course do the same with the other one to the right. This means that no matter which one we press, you will always make the light go off or on. You might already guess what we use schematic diagram for. Yes, it's used to understand how the switches work.
We have already drawn the switches, the lamp and the power outlet. A small thing to the right is a power outlet. The X is the lamp and the remaining objects are the multi-way switches. You probably remember that N goes directly to the lamp, and that is the first thing we did. And from there we took the L into both switches and ended up connecting the L to the lamp. We draw circuit diagrams so we can be 100% sure that we connect everything right, mostly because of our safety, but also so I can draw it and then give it to anyone else who got knowledge about this. For example, if this becomes my work.
So now we are doing the actual physical work, that is to place the components where they are supposed to be. As you can see, we have already done that, but the main part is still left, that is to connect the wires. This is just so you might get an idea about how we work on our projects. This is also how they install all the electronic equipment in your own house, just in a larger scale of course. The equipment we use here is screwdrivers, screws, wire stripper, cable cutter and power outlet. You can see the 5 junction boxes we used and the conduits between them. And now we are doing the last job, that is polishing and putting on the exterior on the switches and placing on the light bulb so that we can see if it works and that we can turn the light on and off from 2 different places. This could for example be a lamp in a staircase where you would want to switch off and on the lamp from both floors.